Are your kitchen cupboards in chaos? Open bags can spill everywhere, letting the air in and the freshness out. No one wants to eat stale crisps. All they're good for is the bin. What a waste. It's time you stop throwing your food away and start saving money today. Introducing the ingenious Zipp Zapp Universal Sealer from JML. Simply squeeze and zip along the top of the bag for an airtight seal every time. Now you can seal and reseal again and again, keeping your food fresher for longer and making your money go further. Reseal open packets of snacks and food in seconds, keeping the air and bacteria out, locking the freshness in. The secret's in the thermal sealing technology, creating a super strong airtight seal every time you use it. Just look at how Zipp Zapp's incredible seal keeps the smartphone totally protected, even when submerged in water. Simply slide along the open bag and the Zipp Zapp creates an instant seal. And when you want to open again, turn the Zipp Zapp round and use the express opener. Take advantage of special offers and bulk buy meats to store individual portions without the risk of freezer burn. Simply squeeze together and the heated coil activates to create a perfect seal. With Zipp Zapp in your home, nothing will go to waste, saving you a fortune on your groceries. Plus, with this handy magnetic holder, you can keep your Zipp Zapp on your fridge, or simply use the adhesive mount to attach your Zipp Zapp wherever you need it. Use Zipp Zapp for so much more. Seal heavy-duty compost bags, giving an airtight, durable, mess-free seal. Keep your small bolts, screws and fuses all in one place. Clear up your kids' clutter into a chaos-free, tidy space. It's time to clean up your cupboards and zip up your open bags of food and start locking the freshness in with Zipp Zapp.